Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn how to make ball bearing in SOLIDWORKS. So let's get started. When we open SOLIDWORKS, this window will open first. Now select here new, select part and click OK. First we'll change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds. Now we'll make inner ring, outer ring, ball and support ring one by one. So first we'll make inner ring. Select front plane, select sketch. Now we'll select center rectangle and draw one rectangle here. Select smart dimension. Select this line and we'll make it 90 mm. Now select this line and we'll make it 35 mm. Now select this line and the origin point and we'll give distance 50 mm. Now right click here, select. Now select center point of the rectangle, hold the control key, select origin point and give relation vertical. Click OK. Now we'll draw one center line here. Now we have to draw one arc here. So we'll select center point arc and draw one arc here. Select. Now select smart dimension. Select this arc and we'll give radius 45 mm. Now select this center point and this line and we'll give distance 35 mm. Now select trim entities and trim this extra portion. Click OK here. Now we have to draw one center line here. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to the features, select revolve boss base and select this line as axis of rotation. Click OK here. So this is our inner ring. Now we'll save it. Go to the files, select save as. File name we'll put here inner ring and click save. Now we'll make outer ring. Select front plane, select sketch. Again we'll select center rectangle and draw one rectangle here. Select smart dimension. Select the origin point and this line and we'll give distance 110 mm. Now select this line and we'll assign length 35 mm. Select this line and we'll make it 90 mm. Select. Now select center point of the rectangle, hold the control key and select origin point. Give relation vertical and click OK. Now we'll draw one center line here. Make it construction geometry. Now we have to make one arc here. So we'll select center point arc and draw one arc here. Select smart dimension. Select the arc and give radius 50 mm. Now select the center point of arc and this line and we'll make it 40 mm. Again go to the trim entities and trim these extra lines and click OK here. Again we have to draw one center line here for the axis of rotation and make it construction geometry. You can select center line from here as well. Now go to the features, select revolve boss base and select this line as axis of rotation and click OK. Now we'll apply material to the ring. Go to the appearance, select metals. Here we can select any metal. For now we'll select steel. Drag this polished steel, drop on the ring and select body. Now we'll save it. Select save as. File name we'll put here outer ring and select save. Now we'll make ball. Select front plane, select sketch, select center point arc and draw one arc here. Select. Now select smart dimension, select this arc and we'll make it 25 mm. Select. Now we'll draw one line here. Now select this line, select the origin point and give relation midpoint. Click OK. You can draw here center line as well. Now go to the features, select revolve boss base. Now select this line as axis of rotation and click OK. So this is the ball. Now we'll apply material to it. Go to the appearance. Now we'll select chrome. Drag this chromium plate appearance, drop on the ball and select body. Now we'll save it. Select save as. File name we'll give it ball and select save. Now we'll make last component support ring and then we'll assemble all components to make ball bearing. Now select front plane, select sketch. Now we have to draw one rectangle here, so we'll select corner rectangle. Draw one rectangle here. Select smart dimension. Select this line and give length 5 mm. Again select this line and we'll make it 30 mm. Now select this line and the origin point and give distance 95 mm. Select this point, hold the control key, select origin point and give relation vertical and click OK. Again we have to draw one center line here for axis of rotation and make it construction geometry. Now go to the features, select revolve boss base and click OK. Now select right plane, select sketch, select normal to, select circle and we'll draw one circle here. Make it for construction. OK. Select smart dimension, select this circle and we'll make it 195 mm. Select. Now we have to draw one center line here. Make it construction geometry. Now select center point arc and draw one arc here. Select. We have to make this arc same size as the ball. So select smart dimension, select the arc and we'll give radius 25 mm. Increase this center line little bit. Now go to the features and select revolve cut. And click OK here. Now drop down this linear pattern and select circular pattern. Now drop down this hide show menu and select view temporary axis. Now click on this direction 1 option and select this axis. Now select features and faces option and select this revolve cut face. We'll keep it 8 instances. If you want to increase, you can increase or decrease the instances. Now click OK here. Again hide this center line. Uncheck this view temporary axis and view axis. Now select shell. We'll change this thickness to 3 mm. Now select all the faces except this circular cut face. Select this backside face as well and click OK. You have to make this ring as per the number of balls required in the bearing. Now we'll mirror it to make complete support ring. So go to the mirror. Now select this face and here select bodies to mirror and select this body and click OK here. You can mirror it at the time of assembly as well. Now we'll apply material to the support ring. Go to the appearance. For now we'll select bronze. Select this polished bronze appearance. Drop on the support ring and select body. Now we'll save it and we'll give name support ring. Click on save. Now we have to assemble all the components. So select new and select assembly and click OK. Select all the components and click on open. Now drop the component one by one. Now we'll apply some relations to this component. So select mate. Now click on this small arrow and we have feature manager option here. Now expand this inner ring and outer ring. Now select this face of outer ring and this face of inner ring. Select relation concentric and click OK. Now select right plane of inner ring and the right plane of outer ring. Select relation coincident and click OK. Now cancel it and right click on the ball and select float. Now again select mate. Select this small arrow. Click on this arrow in front of ball. Now select front plane of the ball and the front plane of the inner ring. Give relation coincident. Click OK. Again select right plane of the ball and the right plane of the inner ring. Again give relation coincident. Click OK. Now select the ball and inside face of the ring. Select this flip mate option and click OK. Now drop down this hide show menu and select view temporary axis. Now select this center axis of support ring and this axis of inner ring. Give relation coincident and click OK. Now select center line of the ball and this center line of the support ring. Give relation coincident and click OK. Now drop down this linear pattern, select circular pattern. Components to pattern, we will select this ball. Now click on this direction 1 option and select this axis. Increase the number of balls and click OK here. Now we'll hide this temporary axis. Uncheck this view temporary axis. We can apply material to the component at the time of assembly as well. Now we'll apply material to the inner ring. Go to the appearance. For now we'll select steel. Drag this polished steel, drop on the inner ring and select body. These are the random material I have selected. Now right click on the outer ring and select fix. Now you can see the bearing is rotating properly. So today we have learned how to make ball bearing in SOLIDWORKS. Try to make it. If you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.